Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning. From the Guardian newspaper, we'll flip over to the leadership newspaper. Abayo travel simplifies UK study pathways for Nigerian students. Nigerians deserve truth, not data based driven illusion. NICO boss congratulates new Oloro of Oro Kingdom. Civil society organizations reject calls for TCN MD's sack. Hardship. Leadership is not about easy decisions, says Minister. Kenyatta, only police, military should have monopoly of violence. 5,000 lawyers back governors over case on EFCC, oil wealth and citizens' welfare. 200,000 subscribers left Washington Post over Bezos' decision on Harris. 7 days to go. Harris, Trump intensifies campaigns. National Air Force airstrikes hit terrorist meeting point, kills scores in Brunei. Police arrest lady for faking kidnap, death. Emefiele asks me not to keep records of money collected for him. Witness. Lagos moves to combat illegal gambling, signs a memorandum of understanding with UK. Varsity workers strike, cripples academic activities. After 9 days, northern leaders kick over power outage. Adamawa leaders back establishment of solid minerals varsity. Honorable Jafaru Yakubu secures secondary school for Gaso. Smart Education Project KOICA hands over 1,662 educational digital contents to UBEC. Abba, Kabi, Yusuf, daring the detractors. Baron de Or, Martinez wins Best Goalkeeper Award. Baron de Or 2024, Ancelotti wins Men's Best Coach of the Year Award. Baron de Or, Aitana Bomati wins Best Female Player Award. Tinubu orders urgent restoration of electricity in North. Baron de Or, Lukman ranked 14th best male footballer in the world. Senate begins screening of ministerial nominees Tuesday. Balotelli returns to Serie A, signs for Genoa. Pandev commiserates with federal government and NPCL orders over helicopter crash in Rivers. Federal government seeks Saudi Arabia support to cut off terrorism financing. APC will win Ondo governorship poll with landslide. Ganduje boost. Investment banking firm backs innovative deal execution award. Investment banking firm backs innovative deal execution award. Still on the stories making the headlines on the leadership newspaper this morning. I can make you disappear. Abia lawmaker threatened assaulted delivery.